This video will give you a brief introduction to our patented new product, a lower-cost aluminum pot pressing machine. This series of aluminum pot pressing and forming production line is the latest new type of aluminum liquid pressing and forming equipment developed by our company. The output of the vertical machine, including the holding time of 10-15 south, is about 900 to 1,000 pieces in 8 hours, including manual pouring of aluminum liquid, which is 2 to 3 times the output of the ordinary horizontal die casting machine. The purchase cost of a vertical die casting machine is only 40% of that of a horizontal die casting machine, and you can have double the production efficiency at the price of the original one. The yield rate of vertical production line is about 98%, and the yield rate of horizontal die casting machine is about 90%. It is mainly used for the pressing and forming process of aluminum pots, pot covers and other kitchen utensils by melting aluminum liquid. The finished aluminum pot has no pouring port and does not require cutting process. A small amount of flash can be processed manually without trimming machine. The equipment occupies a smaller area, only requires 6 square meters of floor space. In general, this machine can replace the horizontal die casting machine to produce aluminum pots, which can effectively reduce production costs and improve product quality. Our company provides overall solutions. You give me product requirements, we provide a complete production line to you.